an essential tool for making the right decisions. As an entrepreneur, wouldn't it be better if you didn't have any competition? Making decisions is very similar. The difference is, when you are a buyer, you need to buy into one option among the many that exist and compete for your favor. Or do you? To help you be more critical, look at your decision as a competition between options. See each option as trying to sell you on buying it. Let's take this further and look at other ways you can ease your pain of making a decision. First, the easiest way is to simply not make the decision. You either realize you don't need to, or postponing it might actually be the best route to take. Next, you can disregard poor options. Imagine having a way to quickly see which options are bad. The last and most difficult option is to make the decision. This is your final option if you have not ignored the decision entirely, and if you have already disregarded all the poor choices, leaving you with just a few viable ones. Using one or all of these tools for making decisions easily can be greatly aided by using one simple tool, your business idea itself. This can be hard because your idea, no matter how simple it seems, is a complex thing, especially when you also think about its implementation. There are many moving parts, and it's impossible to keep them all in mind when making decisions. You need to discover the essence of your idea, the core of your idea that you can keep in mind at all times. This will take your decision-making to a new level. With such a tool, you will gain clarity about your idea and the decision at hand, and easily and quickly be able to 1. Discard decisions. 2. Disregard poor choices. 3. Choose the best option. You'll have better experience and better results, leading to success. Would you like me to help you with your idea? Go to haimhelp.com.